Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q5 Edition 145 TFSI Quattro. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really giving that standout appearance. Now as you look towards the key features, and with this being the Edition 1 model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front and also with the rear apron and the side profile. Besides this, the Edition 1 does have the gloss black window surrounds, black diffuser and the black front grille. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where you find these fantastic LED digital matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now down towards the alloys, we find the Black Edition specific 20-inch 5-segment spoke design alloys with the upgraded red calipers for a bit of definition. To the side of the Q5 now, there is the rear privacy glass, in which does keep the rear occupants in view, so we'll continue with the overall blacked out theme. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q5, where we do find up to 520 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags, and can easily hold the roof bars for added storage. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. Besides this, there is a leather sensor armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, and the rear passengers do also get rear ventilation and a smaller climate control. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and spacious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Edition 1, it does mean you get these full leather seats with the S logos, as well as the fantastic diamond quilted leather. Above now, there is the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of the overall display. Now to the centre of the dashboard, there is this MMI touchscreen display, which does have access to satellite navigation. You can also use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, there is the equally impressive digitalised dual-zone climate control. This is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both row passengers. To the screen above once again, there is a 360 surround and 360 camera, making this Q5 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.